Permutation combination. It's one of the important topics from the exam point of view, and I've seen many students struggling with this topic. So I have thought of making it easy for you. Hello everyone, my name is Shyam Manawat and I am going to teach you permutation combination from basics to advanced. I will start from the school level questions and take it to the advanced level, in which I am going to discuss about the questions from the previous year exams. So let's get started. Permutation is arrangement and combination is selection. So wherever we'll find that we need to find out the arrangements, possible arrangements, we will use permutation, and wherever we feel that we need to find out the possible selections, we are going to use combination. So I have these two cases for you. The first one says the coach has to form a cricket team of 11 players out of 16 players. In how many ways can the coach form a team? And the second one is the coach has to decide a batting order of a cricket team with 11 players out of 16 players. In how many ways can the coach decide the batting order? So now you have to pause this video and write in the comment box that which one of this case is for arrangement and which one is for the selection. I will give heart to the correct answer. Alright, I'm sure you must have done that. So now you can see here, to form a team out of 16 players, the coach definitely has to do what? Selection. So selection means combination. Okay. And here, to form a batting order, that means he has to decide who is going to go on the first down and who is going to go on the second down. In that case, the arrangement will come into picture. Yeah, so even if we have same set of 11 players, he can arrange them in a different form and get the new batting order, right? So for example, let's say Kohli is going on the first down and Dhoni is going on the second down. Or it could also be MS Dhoni is going on the first down and Kohli is going on the second down, right? So these two are different cases of the arrangement, right? So you can understand, or you can remember this way: wherever order matters, we will apply arrangement. So this case is what? Arrangement. Now for arrangement we will use permutation. So we are not going to solve these questions now, but we need to understand with these examples that selection and arrangement, what are they, what to apply, and also one of the important points is not necessary the question will directly tell you that okay, find the arrangement or find the selection. You need to figure it out by looking at the question, understanding the situation, that what you should be going for. Okay, so understanding with the question that whether to go for arrangement or selection, that's the first step which you should understand. Alright, in today's session, we'll keep our focus on principle of counting. If you understand principle of counting, then you are going to understand the entire concept of permutation combination. Okay, so let's understand the principle of counting by using some examples. So we have this example in front of us. Mohan has 3 pants, 2 shirts. How many different pairs of pant and a shirt can he dress up with? In this case, let's draw it like this. So we have, say, pant 1 and 2 and 3. Now with pant 1 he can wear either shirt 1 or 2. Same he can repeat with P2 as well as P3. Okay, I'm sure it must be pretty easy for you to understand. And just a disclaimer, this video is for the beginners. So if you're a beginner in permutation combination, it will help you a lot. And if you're already advanced, if you're already at the advanced level, then you can watch my future videos. So the numbers you can count, number of combinations or number of ways he can dress up, it's 6, correct? So what's happening here, we can also visualize like this. Say we have these 2 places, okay? One is for pants and this is for shirts. Now, on the first place, you have 3 different possibilities for pants. And for the second place, you have got 2 different possibilities for shirts. So how do we join this, or how do we say this? How do we form the statement here? We have 3 pants that has to go along with 2 shirts. So arrange 3 pants and 2 shirts, right? So the conjunction which we are using, I'm focusing on, is and. Now whenever we have and as the conjunction, we are going to use multiplication sign. So that's how also you're going to get what? 6. Okay, no worries. You see one more example. I hope you will understand here with the what is the application of counting technique. So here we had pants and shirts, so we could still draw this diagram and count the number of pairs possible. If you have more than that, here it says Mohan has 3 pants, 2 shirts, 4 pairs of socks. How many different pairs of a pant, a shirt and a pair of socks can he dress up with? So you got 3 different places here. Okay, let's assume that there are 3 different places here. At one place you have to, let's say you are going to put different possible pants, second shirts and third is socks. Alright. So what are the possibilities? For the first one, pants, there are 3 possibilities. And for the second place, see, I'm emphasizing on and for the second place you have 2 possibilities, and for the third place you have got 4 pair of socks, so you have got 4 possibilities, and that's how you complete what? 24. Okay, so answer for this is 24. Well, it's not about the answer, it's about you to understand the counting technique, that we count and then get the answer. Okay, so the key takeaway from these 2 questions, that in counting technique, or rather I would say in permutation, combination or probability, if you have and as the conjunction, we use multiplication sign. Okay, we are going to use multiplication sign. Okay, I will show more and more application of this and as the conjunction. Now let's see this example. So here you have Mohan has 3 pants, 4 shirts, 4 t-shirts, 2 shirts. How many different pairs of pant and shirt or a pant and a t-shirt can he dress up with? Well, this time you have got 2 different cases. One is pant, shirt, alright, or he can also go with t-shirt along with pant, right? Now, first case, a pant and a shirt. There are 3 possibilities for pants. Okay, I hope you're clear with this. Like here we have done this through the diagram. So you can use either one of 3 pants as per given in the question. And shirts, there are 2 shirts. So for the first place, for pant, you have 3 possibilities, and for the second place you have got 2 possibilities. So you say 6 here. Okay, or again pant and t-shirt. So pant, there are 3 possibilities, and for t-shirts there are 4 possibilities. Okay, now this time you have or as the conjunction between these 2 conditions. So what I'm trying to say here, he can dress up with 6 ways if we use shirt. He can dress up with 4 ways if we use t-shirt, right? So total number of ways he can dress up here is, I hope you are clear with this, 18, correct? So the takeaway from this question, if you have or as the conjunction, you use what? Addition. Okay, for or we used what? Addition. Here we had and here, we had and here, so we used what? Multiplication sign. So you can say and multiplication or plus. You can also say in a way that for same condition you use multiplication, and if you have got different conditions you use what? Plus. Now अपने दिमाग में इन दोनों में से एक ही बात रखना. कौन कौन सी? या तो हम लोग ऐसा समझे that if it is one condition then you use multiplication, and for different conditions we use add. Okay, या फिर you can remember like for and we use multiplication and for or we are going to use addition. Okay, Now let me, so this is what concept which we need to study in this session. Now I will take you through some of the examples here which will make you practice the concept which we have studied. So the next set is, how many 3 digits numbers can be formed from digits 1 to 3. Okay, let me change these digits so it will be less confusing to you. So 9, 8, 4, 3 and 7, let's say. All right. So these are 5 digits and you have to form a 3-digit number out of this. Now, first case is arrange them. In how many ways you can form the number? That means you need to arrange these digits to form the number, right? So first is identify if it is arrangement or not. I hope that's clear to you. Now once you identify that is arrangement, you have next part, arrange these digits 3 places because there are 3 digits and there are 5 different digits available to arrange. Okay. So I will make 3 places first of all. Now, same like previous examples. For pants we had 3 possibilities. Here, for digits we'll have, how many possibilities are there? There are 5 digits, right? So 5 for this, for the first place. And because repetition is allowed. What do you mean by repetition is allowed? That means the digits which we have used on the first position can be used on the second position also. Yeah? Let's take an example. Say I have used this digit 8 on the first position. Okay? Now as per the situation, as per the question, repetition of digits is allowed. That means I can use this digit 8 on the second place also. Okay? That means we don't have to reduce the possibility. On the second place also I have got 5 digit as it is to be used, and similarly for the third place too. This will get you the answer 125, or you can also say it's 5 raised to 3. Okay, so repetition is allowed. That's why we are keeping it all 5 digits here, all 5 digits on the second place and all 5 digits on the third place too, and I'm using multiplication. All right. In the same question, I have second condition where repetition is not allowed. I'm sure you must have figured it out by now. I know you are smart. I know my audience, my students, you are intelligent. Okay. So again, 3 different places. So for the first place, I have 5 possibilities, right? Because I had 5 digits. Again, let's take the same example. Say I use the digit 8 on the first position. Can I use the digit 8 on the second position also? Answer is no, because repetition of digits are not allowed. That means in that case, the possibility on the second place, yeah, the options, possibilities, whatever you want to call it, on the second place, it reduces by 1. So I have got 4 possibilities on the second place. Why did it reduce by 1? I'm sure you're clear with this, because one of the digit is used. I cannot use that again. So from total 5 digits, 1 is used. Remaining 4 will carry forward for the second place. Okay, and same story repeats for the third place too. So I have got 3 possibilities, and that will give me 60 as the answer. I hope this part is clear. If not, please rewind this video and watch it again. Now let's go to the next set. So I'm making you practice this counting technique and or concept. So question is, how many 5 digit telephone number can be constructed using the digits 0 to 9 if each number starts with 67? Assuming that repetition of digits is allowed, repetition of digits are not allowed. Now, it is 5 digits telephone number. Question said start with 6, 7. That means first and second position are fixed with digits 6 and 7. Understand, it's not 6 possibilities and 7 possibilities. It's the digit 6 and 7. Okay, so that means there is only one possibility here, 6. There is only one possibility here, 7. Alright? So that means we just need to focus on the remaining 3 digits, correct? That's the question. So if I take the first condition where repetition of digits are allowed, I have only one possibility for the first place, only one possibility for the second place. Which is that one possibility? The digit 7. Then now for the third place, I am free to use any digit from 9 to 0. So 9 to 0, how many digits are there? Don't say there are only 9 digits, counting 0. So there are how many digits? 10 digits out here. So for the third place out here, there are 10 possibilities. Okay. Then 10 possibilities for the next place and 10 possibility on the last place. And that's how we get the answer. There are 1000 numbers can be formed by using 0 to 9 as digits, which start with the number 67. Okay. Yeah. Now let's look at the second set. Digits are same. There are 0 to 9, 10 digits. Digits cannot be repeated. That means, again, now look at this. Very important. You should not find this confusing, okay? It's very simple concept. Very simple concept. So it should start with 67 as the number. That means there is only one possibility here, the digit 6, and one possibility here, the digit 7. Now understand, from 0 to 9, out of these 10 digits, 6 and 7, 2 digits has been used already. Are you clear with this? From 0 to 9, there are 10 digits. Out of these 10 digits, 6 and 7, 2 digits are used already. That means here you have got only 8 possibilities. Are you clear with that? There are 10 digits here. Out of 10 digits, 6 and 7, that means 2 digits has been used. So how many digits are remaining to form the number? There are 8. And digits cannot be repeated. So here 7 possibilities, 1 reduce further. 6 possibilities, again 1 reduce. Okay? I hope that's clear to you. And this will get you 1 into 8 into 7 into 6 is 336. These many numbers can be formed. I hope this concept is also clear.
तू समझा? हाँ. नहीं, तू समझा नहीं.
Please rewind the video. And still, if it is not clear, please mention on the comment box. I will try to make it easy for you people. Okay. Now the last example for last practice question for this video on the counting techniques or on the principle of counting. How many numbers greater than 5000 can be formed using the digits 0, 3, 5, 8 and 7 with no digit appears more than 1? It means, what is that? Repetition. What is that? Repetition not allowed. Okay. Here also we have what? Repetition not allowed. That means the possibilities are going to decrease by 1 if we keep on progressing. I hope that much is clear by now to you. Okay. So 5000. Now 5000 has how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4. That means the number has to be a 4-digit number. The number has to be a 4-digit number. Correct? Because a 3-digit number, you can name any 3-digit number, it will be less than 5000, right? So to have what? Units, tens, hundreds and thousand, we need to have 4 digits, and the 1000 place has to be 5 or more to make the number more than 5000. The 1000 place should have digit which is more than 5 to make it more than 5000, right? So I hope that's clear. Like for example, let me take these numbers, these digits, and form a number for you which is more than 5000. So I can say 5, 8, 7, 3, a 3-digit number, 5873. Yeah, this is a number more than 5000. Okay, this is a number more than 5000. All right. Okay. So now let's talk about number of possibilities, not the digit only, but number of possibilities. So So how many possibilities are there on the 1000 place? Can I use 0 on the 1000 place? Just imagine if I use 0 on the 1000 place, तो 0 से start होने वाला number, how will that number be more than 5000? Yeah. So I cannot use 0 on the 1000 place. I cannot use 3 also on 1000 place, because if I use 3, it will sound like 3000 something, correct? So these two digits cannot be used here. So I have got only 1, 2, 3. There are only 3 possibilities for the first place. Okay. Now let's say out of these 3, I used one of them. Okay, let's say I used the digit 8 over here. Out of these 3 possibilities, one is consumed on this place. Repetition not allowed. So I cannot use the same on the second place. So I'm just taking example that digit 8 cannot be used on the second place. But can I use the digit 0 and 3? Yes, there is no problem. On the hundreds place, I can use that. Okay. So for the second place, the possible digits are 0, 3, 5 and 7. So how many possibilities do I have on the second place? I have 4 possibilities on the second place. Is that clear? Yeah, I hope that's clear. 0 and 3 cannot be used, so there are only 3 possibilities. Out of these 3 possibilities, one is used. So apparently there should be 2 possibilities for the next place. But with those two possibilities, I can again use 0 and 3. So again it becomes 4 possibilities. Yeah. And I've given this example also. Let's say 8 is consumed, so you have got 4 possibilities here. Okay. So 3 for the first place and 4 on the second place, and now there are no restrictions, so I can go on. I can keep going on. So after this, again one possibility reduce, again one possibility reduce. Okay, so this will get you what? 72 as the total possible numbers. But can we end the question here? No, of course not, because the question said you need to have number more than 5000. Question never said that it has to be only of 4 digits. It could be 5 digits also. What I said, it has to be minimum of 4 digits. So it could be 5 digits also. Now for 5 digits, any 5 digits number, because it is units, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. So any 5 digit number will be in the range of 10,000s, right? So any number in 10,000s is definitely more than 5,000. So that means I have freedom of using any digit anywhere. Okay. But still, can I start a number with 0? No. You can start a code with 0, but not a number with 0. See, 0, 1, 2 is not a 3-digit number. It's still 2-digit number. So we still have a condition that I cannot use 0 on the first place. Okay. So how many possibilities for the first place? It's 4. I can't use 0. So I can use either one of the 3, 5, 7 and 8. 4 possibilities here. Then can I use 0 here? Yes, I can use 0. I consumed one of them here. मतलब इन 4 में से एक हम लोगों ने यूज कर लिया है, तो वो हम लोग नेक्स्ट प्लेस पे यूज नहीं कर सकते. इसलिए ऑन द सेकेंड प्लेस there are supposed to be 3 possibilities, but 0 is counted. So I have got how many? Again 4 possibilities. इसको थोड़ा सोचना. Pause this video and think about it again. कुछ confusion है? Comment box में डालो. I will explain that. Okay, and then no more restrictions. So you keep going on with reducing of 1 possibilities on each. So this will get you 4 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, 96 possibilities, right? So here we got 96. Now what are we going to say? We will say either we can make a 4-digit number, or we can make a 5-digit number, or we can make a 5-digit number. So it's or. Conjunction is or. So what do we use for or? We use plus sign. So if I'm going to add both of them, 72 here and 96 here, what will it give you? It will give you 168. So total 168 numbers are possible. Okay. So I hope the concept of counting techniques or principle of counting is clear to you. This is it for in today's video. I will see you in the next video with the new concept of permutation combination.